Hello everyone. So today I decided that I wanted to do just a normal drawing. It's a bit random, but let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you like what you see, keep watching. Hello everyone. Thought I'd just do a normal drawing. So this is an old sketchbook I have. It's got a lot of my ideas and craziness from years and years and years ago. So I just thought I'd have a bit of fun, just do a random sketch. So I'll just see what I come up with. I'm just doing some basic gesture lines, just sort of getting a rough idea of what I can see. This kind of looks like a muscly guy sitting at a table. You can't quite see that. I'm going to try and sort of be a bit more forceful now with the lines. So let me just see here. Right, so I reckon he's got a bit of a face on. Yes, he looks like he's got a hand on something. So I reckon that he's in a bar. Anyway, yeah, so with this picture, I'm just mucking around, playing around with the anatomy. He's got quite big hands, quite a big build. Haven't decided on a costume or anything. Probably need one if he's in the bar. So once I've got the basic drawing done, then I'll start to go over it with pen. The thing is I usually find it quite fun to sort of do a sketch rather than working on Photoshop and stuff like that. I can be a little bit looser, a little bit more risque with what I actually do. And sometimes the results are a bit better actually. Obviously you can't render things, or I can't render things as well as I can in Photoshop. Other people obviously can, you know. I'm going to give him like a sort of round table to be drinking on. He's going to be quite a lonely soul. So yeah, like I said, it's just a bit of a random really. We put a leg back, I reckon. We got the actual stand itself, which would go there. And he's going to be sitting on a chair, I suppose. Will we see the chair? Maybe we'll see the chair. Not really. Might see a leg for the chair, shall we say? So he's a big fella. Right, so now I think about where the eyes are going to go. So I'll go there. Probably going to be a mouth there. I think we're going to give him a bit of a chin. And his ear will go there. And then some sort of body armor. Yeah, okay. Sort of body armor. Maybe, oh yeah, gauntlet thing on his arm. That'd be pretty cool. And that. Okay. So that's sort of like the basic thing. And now I'm just going to get might work with this. Oh yes, it's supposed to have a good. Okay, it's got a good auto zoom function on this thing. So that's all I'm using. 0.3. And then I'll speed through this bit. We'll see what we get at the end. So when I was doing this guy, I think I was thinking about Conan, I suppose. I wanted somebody very big and very macho. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I also am starting to film these things using my Insta360 Link webcam, which I highly recommend. I'm going to put a link for it in the description below. And it basically has a view down option, so you can actually record all your drawings. So I will be doing more of this, I think, because it was actually nice and easy to do and a lot of fun. And I find that sketching is quite a sort of fluid process. I don't have to think too hard about it. This guy, I just kind of like built him up and, you know, just went wherever I wanted to go. And you think a little bit harder as well when you're doing it in ink, because it's pretty permanent. It's not like a digital art that I do where you can just undo things. It just, when you make a mistake, you just have to roll with it and hope for the best. So I hope you liked the picture anyway. It came out all right, and it's just a bit of fun. And I'll let you get back to the video. And there we go. So if you have enjoyed what you've seen, or if you've got any suggestions for what you'd like to see, just let me know, and I will make a video accordingly. But the end result has been a bit of fun. I deliberately didn't use any rulers or anything like that. I just really wanted to do a very basic, enjoyable sketch, nice and quick. As you can see, it's still got all the pencil work in there, and it's quite useful, I think, if you want to do some sort of like quick concepts of ideas that you've got going on. And don't be scared of trying things out. That's the beauty part of this. It's not going to be like a decent artwork. It's going to be just a bit of fun, see what turns up, you know, and enjoy yourself. And here's the finished article. So let me know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see. I also write books, horror and sci-fi. They can be found on Amazon if you look up Richard Coyley. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.
Wow.